Hey there, this is Sandra Edmond, the Queen of Tax Deeds, and I'm inviting you to a special class that I'm going to be teaching this Saturday at the Central Florida Realty Investor Association. We're going to be showing you how to find properties that are not on the market, especially in this tight market, how to find deals and how to find motivated sellers. We're going to be concentrating on properties that are delinquent in taxes and other methods as well. Main emphasis is going to be buying properties at the tax deed sale, buying properties before they get to the tax deed auction, also how to buy them even after they've been to the auction as well, and how to make money even after it's sold to another investor. Yes, there's still money that can be made. Some of it is very active and you're gonna have to do a lot of things. Some of it, you don't even really have to do much, maybe just a couple of hours, and you can make thousands of dollars an hour just by knowing where the information is. So I'll be discussing that this Saturday at the Central Florida Realty Investor Association. The class starts at 9:30 in the morning and goes to 5:30. Every year I teach this class, it is always full of lots of information and a lot of goodies for you to learn and implement throughout 2020. We're gonna have 2020 real estate vision in 2020. All right, I look forward to seeing you at CFRI. Go to CFRI.net right now to sign up. The class is limited, so go ahead and sign up. See you Saturday.